In the back, you'll see the 7 text effects that I'll show you how to create in Canva. 6 of them are completely free to use and 1 is available for Canva Pro users. So if you guys are interested in this tutorial, let's go to my computer. In the back, you'll see the first text effect, which is an animated one. And before I show you every single step in the Canva editor, I want to let you guys know that I have a little gift for those of you who stay until the end of the video, so please stay watching until the end. Here I am inside Canva because I want to show you how I created this word. I actually took different elements and then I built the word. So as you can see, I have a collection of different letters, and then by taking them together, I was able to build the word. So I'm going to show you how to find these elements. First, you are going to open the elements section on the left hand side and then click on the search bar. When you click on the search bar, you will see that now we have these categories and we need to open the graphics category in order to find these elements. Remember to do this step. This is very important so you can find all the elements that I'm going to show you today. Now we're going to type the keyword that you see on the screen on this search bar and hit enter. Here we have a collection of letters and numbers that you can use to create your words. So let's say that I want to write the word love. I'm trying to find the L-O-V, where is it? And then the E. Once you have the collection of letters in your design, what I like to do is to select all the elements and reduce the size of all the letters at the same time. I like to do this so the letters have exactly the same size and the final outcome looks more harmonious. Once you have all the letters in the same size, you are going to start building your word. So I'm going to spread my letters, and then I also like to select them once again, go to position and then tidy up. Like this, we have exactly the same space in between each letter and they are organized. And as simple as that, we have created our first text effect, which is actually an animated text. Now let's create this glitter text effect, which I personally really like, because we are not only going to find letters in order to create our words, but we are also going to find some other glitter elements like the ones that you see on the screen, this little teddy bear and the frog, and you will see that there are so many different options, so you can build a very creative design. Let me show you. We are going to use the keyword that you see on the screen. So let's go to elements. Remember that we are inside the graphics section under elements. I'm going to clear the previous search and now I'm going to enter this keyword that you see on the screen. As you can see, we have a bunch of different letters with the same glitter effect. We also have numbers, and most importantly, we also have some other elements that we can use on our designs. So let's do again the same exercise to build a word. Let's build a short one. So I'm gonna write fun. So F, let me try to find the U, and then N. Again, I'm going to select all my letters, reduce the size at the same time, and then I'm going to spread the letters. And finally, I like to go to position and then tidy up. Here we have our word. Now let's add some elements to our design. So let's say that I want to add this heart to make my design even nicer, and I want to show you something special here. When you click on any of these elements, you will see that Canva is going to give you magic recommendations. So like this, you can start finding more glitter stickers or glitter elements, and remember that all of these are free. We don't see any Canva Pro label. Let me add a star just to show you that there are so many glitter elements in here. So we have all of these, and it will happen again and again if you keep adding more and more elements. So you will see that you have more magic recommendations in here. Here we have the third text effect, which is also an animated one, and I have seen that it's very trendy at the moment. Let's go to the Canva editor and open Elements. Remember to be under the graphics section, and let's type this keyword. Here we have our animated letters that we can use to create our words, and we also have a set of numbers in case that you need to use animated numbers for your creations. I'm not going to show you how to build a word because I believe you already know how to do it, so let's go to the next text effect. I really love this bubble font or text effect, so let me show you the keyword that you can use to find these elements. Here we have our keyword, so let's go to Elements and let's search for it to see what do we find in here. Here we have our bubble letters, and I'm going to show you something really cool about these letters. Let me quickly build a word and I will show you why I like these elements. Okay, I have my word in here, and as you can see, every letter has a different color. But you can actually change the color of each single letter. So let's say that I want all the letters to look the same way as the edge. I'm going to select the first letter, which is red and pink. Then I'm going to select the copy style button and select the other elements. And like that, we have a cohesive word. You can also use your own colors. So let's say that I want to change the red for a blue color and the pink for a lighter blue. I can do exactly the same process and I'll have my own colors in these letters. I also want to show you a trick that you can use so your words look more harmonious. So we're going to use the rulers and guides available in Canva. Let's go to File and then select Rulers and Guides. This is a free feature in Canva, and in here I already have some guides available, so I'm gonna use this one in here. So I can see where is the base of the word, and then I can create another guide so I can see the height of the vowels. So I have this guide. If you don't know how to create these guides, you can simply click on the ruler above, click and drag, and like this you'll be creating your guide. So yeah, I only need 2, and as you can see, my O is bigger than the E, so I could fix this so my word looks more harmonious. Something like this. And then we can go again to File and deselect Rulers and Guides. And there you go. This text effect is very trendy at the moment, so let me show you the keyword that you need. This is the keyword that we need, so let's go to Elements and let's search for it. Here you have the set of letters that you need. You will also find some symbols and numbers, but you will also find some blob elements that you can add to your designs to make it look more cohesive. So I really like this set of elements because of this. You have numbers and a lot of blob shapes. Let's continue with another trendy text effect, which is this one, a gradient text effect. And what I love about these elements is that you can actually change the colors of the gradient of each letter. So let's go to the Canva editor and let's search for this keyword. So let's go to Elements and search for the keyword. Here we have the set of letters and numbers, and let me show you what you can do with these elements. Let's grab one of these letters and let me show you what you can do in here. When you have your letter selected, on the white toolbar you have access to the colors of each element. So let's change, for example, this gradient for a green gradient. So I guess maybe something like this looks nice. And you can also grab some other letters. Let me try different letters in here. Let's adjust the size, why not, and bring them here. In here you can use the copy style button, so select the letter in which you already have adjusted the colors, and then select the copy style tool, and then select the other letters in your Word. And as simple as that, you have your own colors in this gradient text. All the text effects that we have seen until now are completely free to use, but the one that we're going to see next is available for Canva Pro users. If any of you have a Canva free account and love the elements that you are going to see, we have a 45-day free trial of Canva Pro in the description. This is the text effect that I was talking about, and as I already mentioned, these letters are available for Canva Pro users, so let me show you the keyword. This one is very simple, is add Coco Momo, so let's go to elements, make sure to be under the graphics section, and let's type the keyword. As you can see in here, this search result looks a little different because every letter has the Canva Pro label. So if you have a Canva Pro account, you'll be able to use them completely free. What I really like about this set of elements is that you can use different styles for every single letter. So let me show you how to build a word with these elements. Let's say that we want to write Coco the same way as we saw it in the previous slide. I'm gonna bring the C to my empty Canva, and then you'll see that Canva is giving us magic recommendations. But if we want to see all the C letters available in this set, we can actually click on the three buttons of the letter. Canva is going to open this little window, so go below and find this option that says View Collection. From here you will see all the C letters available in this set. So let's say that I'm going to grab this one, and let's grab this one right here. So I'm going to try to have different styles for every single letter, and then let me go back to my Coco Momo search result, and then let's go for the O. Let's go to the three dots and View Collection. From here we see all the O options, so let's go for this one. Why not? Let's put it somewhere here, and then we can use this one right here. And then we can put all these elements together. Let me bring this one back, and let's put them closer together. And like this, you have created a very, very unique word. If you liked this video, I'm gonna leave you another tutorial in which I shared another 13 text effects in Canva, so I'm gonna leave the link in here. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this tutorial, I have a gift for everyone who stayed until the end of this tutorial. As you probably already know, Canva is adding new elements to the Canva library every day. So it may happen that you are going to type the keyword that I shared on this video and you may not find the elements that I showed you. So I'm gonna leave you guys a free template in the description of this video so you can access all the elements and keywords that I just shared today. So let me show you what you can do with this template. You are going to select one of the elements available in the design and then select the info button on the toolbar. From here, you can select the See More Like This option, and then Canva is going to open this magic recommendation window with more elements similar to the one that you just selected. Lastly, let me know if you want me to share more text effects like this one. I have more ideas, so I could create an episode 2 if you want. Please let me know in the comments. If you want to continue learning about Canva with us, I'm gonna leave a link in here so you can access our 10 Canva courses for free, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Actually, next week Ron is going to teach us how to create a logo in Canva, so make sure not to miss it. I think this is it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and hope to see you in the next one. Bye!